What if the secrets to the world's most famous paintings were hidden in medical diagrams? Leonardo da Vinci wasn't just an artist. He was a scientific obsessive who used anatomical dissections to perfect his brushstrokes. Today, we're decoding his private notebooks to master the sophisticated vocabulary that defined the ultimate polymath. We'll examine how Leonardo's secret dissections of 30 cadavers provided the precise structural knowledge needed to paint human emotion, and define the term anatomical and precision within the context of 15th century medical constraints versus modern AI-driven imaging. We'll show how understanding the mechanics of a smile led to the elusive Sfumato technique that defines the Mona Lisa. Then, we'll transition from physical structure to the visual medium by exploring Leonardo's obsession with how light hits a curved surface, introducing chiaroscuro and luminescence as essential vocabulary for describing the interplay between shadow and clarity. We'll explain why his scientific study of the human eye changed how we perceive depth and perspective in digital and traditional art today. Next, we'll move from the canvas to the journals to see how a polymath uses interconnected thinking to solve complex engineering problems, breaking down the linguistic codex and manuscript to understand his unique backward writing and systematic observation. We'll discuss how his ability to synthesize information across disciplines is the ultimate blueprint for modern multidisciplinary careers. After that, we'll shift from historical analysis to practical application by extracting sophisticated verbs like extrapolate and conceptualize from his designs, analyzing his failed flying machines as prototypes that demonstrate the tenacity required for long-term intellectual breakthroughs. We'll connect his 500-year-old terminology to the cutting-edge jargon used in current aerospace and biomimicry industries. Finally, we'll conclude by synthesizing his scientific rigor and artistic flair into a toolkit for modern-day creative observation, challenging viewers to adopt a curiosity-driven mindset to bridge the gap between their technical skills and creative expression. We'll summarize how mastering both the empirical and the expressive allows anyone to unlock a higher tier of personal genius.